Hey everybody, what I want to do is show you how to format your writing uh, when you're getting ready to type TDAs or other responses. First thing is I may want to change my font. I am not going to spend a lot of time doing this because I know I need to spend my time on turning in the work. But if I go up here, I can choose the font I want. Size 12 is usually a good size. If I want to put a title in, I want my title in the center. So I'm going to look for a button that looks kind of like this, and it'll say center. Then I can type my title. Remember, the important words in a title are all capitalized, so don't forget that part. Now I'm going to hit my enter button. Notice I'm still in the center. I want to go back to the left. So I'll go back up here and I hit align left. Now I want to indent. So to indent, on my keyboard there is a tab button. It's all the way over to the left, and it's on my keyboard, it's like the third row down, and it says tab, T-A-B. If I hit that one time, that will move over 5 spaces on my first line. This is my indent. Notice how when I keep typing, it automatically goes to the second sentence when I run out of room over here. And see how over here at the end, it moves my sentence back to the margin so I can see my indent. Now I want to go from this paragraph to my second paragraph. So I'm going to hit my enter button, but it puts it all the way up here at the end. I want to show this is my second paragraph. So I need to show an indent. So I'm going to hit my tab button again. Okay, let me ask you. I want to go to paragraph number 3. What do I do first? Well, according to this, hit enter on my keyboard. I hit enter. Now, according to this, I have to hit the tab button. Now I'm indented for my third paragraph. Now let's talk about hitting capital buttons. Notice the beginning sentences have capitals. To do this, I want to hit my shift button and the letter that I want to capitalize. Okay, those are a few editing tools to help you write your documents on the computer.